Hello and thank you for watching my video. The objective of this video is to help you understand how to use rubrics and benchmarks to assess student work very quickly, very accurately, speeding your grading time by at least 50%. The first thing that you have to do with this process is develop a criteria that's very clear, very easy for the kids to understand, and very easy for you to understand. Here's an example of some criteria that you might give to a student for a writing sample. We all know that kids normally don't like to write, and reading their writing is very hard to do. Using benchmarks helps the teacher move very quickly through all the kids' writing, grading everything very, very fast. Here's an example of something that this student may have written. We're going to look at this work using the criteria and using the benchmarks so that we can very, very quickly have this teacher not spend too much time on the work. Here's an example of how he would use it. Did this meet criteria number 1? The answer is yes. It's about something that's a real danger and it's got a title. Did it meet criteria number 2? Well, it does. It looks like it talks about these dangers. I can very quickly see burning sun, sunburnt, skin cancer. I can see those right away. And criteria 3 is, did it meet the criteria of having 3 paragraphs? Well, they're pretty small paragraphs, so maybe I'd give a 6 out of 10 on that one, on my rubric. So I'd give a 10 for criteria 1, 10 for criteria 2, and maybe a 6 for criteria 3. Now, doing this really helps with the speed and the accuracy. This teacher has very little work to grade because they've graded all the work. In fact, he probably graded the work in class while the students were in class. Now, the best way to get this done quickly is by using technology. Using an iPad or similar technology and a Google Form rubric, a teacher can grade very, very fast and very, very accurately, saving all the data so that they can manipulate that later and get a true assessment of the student. Of course, doing so much good work, this teacher is going to end up being Teacher of the Year, and he can spread his knowledge to all the other fellow teachers. And the kids, obviously, those are our stakeholders. They understand where they are. They've gotten feedback very quickly, and they can know what they know and relearn what they need to relearn. Thank you very much for watching my video.